Are you ready to tackle your thesis in 2024? Follow these steps to ensure your success. First, choose a topic that you are passionate about. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your writing. Next, conduct thorough research to gather evidence to support your thesis statement. This will strengthen your argument and make your paper more convincing. Outline your paper before you start writing. This will help ensure that your ideas flow logically and cohesively. When writing, make sure to cite your sources properly. This is crucial for avoiding plagiarism and maintaining academic integrity. Revise, revise, revise. Don't be afraid to make changes to improve the clarity and coherence of your thesis. Finally, don't forget to proofread your work. Check for grammar and spelling errors to make sure your paper is polished and professional. Remember, writing a thesis is a challenging but rewarding process. Stay organized, stay focused, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.